You're given a question where x is a normal variate. It follows a normal distribution with mean 50 and standard deviation 5. You have to find out the probability that x lies between 30 and 60, and the other probability which you have to find out that x is greater than or equal to 70. So first of all, this x is a normal variate. Let us define a standard normal variate z, which you know is given by x minus mu upon the standard deviation. Now, what is mu here? 50. What is the standard deviation? 5. Now, when x is equal to 30, between these we have to find out. When x is equal to 30, what is the value for z? Z would be equal to 30 minus 50 upon 5, which is equal to minus 4. And when x is equal to 60, the value for z would be 60 minus 50 upon 5, which is 10 upon 5 is 2. So what do we have to find out? We have to find out the probability that x lies between 30 and 60. In terms of a standard normal variate, we have to find out that z lies between minus 4 and 2. This is what we have to find out. Okay, let me give you a diagrammatic representation for this. So like this, and this is there. So, and here, this is the point here. This is, say, the mean of the distribution, and this mean is given to you as x equals to 50. Fine, but standard normal variate, as you guys know this, that standard normal variate has mean of 0 and variance of 1. Clear? So what do we have to find out? We have to find out when x is 30. So x is 30 would lie here, and x is 60. This is x1 is 30 and this is 60 here. So this point here and here. In terms of z, see, this point is x1 is 30. This point is x2 is, say, 60. In terms of z, this would mean z1 is minus 4, and this would mean z2 is 2. So you have to find out the probability between these points. You have to find out this probability. Okay, this is what you have to find out. Okay, so this is your x and this is fx here, the probability, and this one is fx here. Yeah. So, and how do we do this? So you have to find out, first of all, from 30 to 50. This is the first region. Let me just name this as first region, and this one is the second region. Okay, so first of all, you'll find out the probability between 30 to 50, or probability between z1 to z0, that is minus 4 is less than or equal to z is less than or equal to 0. This is the probability that this variate is going to lie in the first region, plus the probability that the variate will lie in the second region. That will start from 0, z is equal to 0, to z2 equals to 2, which is 0 is less than z is less than 2. Now by symmetry, you can write this as 0 is less than or equal to z is less than or equal to 4. See, this curve is symmetrical. So if you calculate minus 4 is less than or equal to 0 is less than or equal to is less than or equal to z is less than or equal to 0, this will be same as you calculate the probability that z lies between 0 to 4. So whether you're calculating that the probability z lies between minus 4 and 0, it is same as finding out the probability that it is lying between 0 to 4. Okay, plus p0 is less than or equal to z is less than or equal to 2. Okay, now this we have to find out. So for this, we'll be using normal tables. So just see it here. Now, how do you see normal tables? You'll see it this way. Okay, now I have to find out z equals to 4. Now, when I have to find out z equal to 4 means z is equal to 4.00. Okay, now 4.00 would mean somewhat here. This is all 5. 3.9, above 3.9 is everything. Okay, so it is 5. And the other one which I have to find out is between 0 to 2. So this is this point 2 here. This one, I should mark it here like this. This one, 0.4772. So I'll just write these 2 points here. So the probability that z would lie between 0 to 4 is 0.5. Okay, and the probability that it will lie between 0 to 2 is 0.4772. Is that okay? Now, this would be 0.9772. The next part says that you have to find out x greater than or equal to 70. So what do we have to do is, let me just diagrammatically show it to you. This is there. And fine. So you know this, that x is equal to 50. What is the probability what is the probability which is being asked for you to calculate? This one, which is x equals to 70. You have to find out this probability, this region, that x is greater than or equal to 70. This is what you have to find out. So you will, this is part B. Okay, x is greater than or equal to 70. So you will convert this into a standard normal variate. Your standard normal variate is given by z is equal to x minus mu upon standard deviation. X is what? 70. What is mu? Mu is 50 upon standard deviation, which is given to you as 5. So that is 20 upon 5, which is 4. Fine. So in terms of standard normal variate, this is 4 and this is 0. So if somebody asks you to find out what px greater than or equal to 70 is, he's asking you to find out in terms of standard normal variate what pz greater than or equal to 4 would mean here in this case. Okay, now pz greater than or equal to 4 would mean what? You have to find out this probability here. So what would that mean? That is, you can write this as 0.5. This entire region is 0.5. This entire region from x equal to 50 till this point, and minus this region from 50 to 70, that is 0 to 4. P0 less than or equal to z is less than or equal to 4. That is what it is. You getting the point what I did? You have to find out the probability that it will lie in this region. So what you will do is that in this entire region, in this region, you will take up the entire probability of this region. Okay, this entire region, which is what? 0.5, because this standard normal variate, this is the standard normal variate curve, and this is dividing the entire curve in 2 parts. So it is half is the probability for this region and half is the probability of this region, minus the probability that it will lie in this region, okay, which is 0 to 4. But in case if you find out here, you'll find out that probability that it will lie between 0 to 4 is 5, 3.9, even 3.99. Okay, 3.99 here, which is this point. See, if I want to find out 3.90, then I'll see this 3.9 from this column and the second decimal place from this. In case if I want to find out 3.99, so 3.9 from this column and 9 from this column. So 3.99 is almost 4, which is 0.5. Okay, so this would be 0.5 minus 0.5. So there is no probability, it is 0. Is that okay?